Hi guys, it's Miss Holly. I'm going to show you how to make a paper plate dinosaur today. So step one, you get all of your materials. So you have your construction paper, you have your markers, I've got stickers added. We also have your scissors, make sure you got scissors, and have a parent help if you need, and half paper plate. All right. Oh, and don't forget glue. All right, so first off, you're gonna make the neck. Now I want to make my neck a little bit rounded. I'm thinking I'm gonna make it's not a triceratops. It's a long neck dinosaur. I'm sure you guys know what name it is. I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. But here is his head. Awesome. All right. Now that we have the head, we need to make sure we make the legs. Now I'm gonna use my paper that I already started cutting up and make some legs. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's a little bit thick. Let's make it a little bit shorter. There we go. Now we put our legs underneath. All right, now he has legs and a head. Now we need his tail. You know, I only needed one piece of paper for this. Now, dinosaurs don't always have to be green, right? What other colors can dinosaurs be? Can they be pink and purple? I think so. Remember, in order to do these crafts, you have to have an imagination. And I'm sure you guys have great imaginations. I've seen it. Now that we have all our pieces, we need to glue them onto our shape, right? All right, so got your nifty glue. We're gonna put glue on the bottom of the neck. We're going to attach it to the paper plate. Stick, push, push, push. You can flatten out your plate all you want. All right, now put some glue on the legs. Leg 1, leg 2. All right, my legs are a little bit close to the head, but you know what? Everybody's dinosaur is a little bit different, just like everybody is a little bit different, right? All right. All right, glue the back legs on. All right, and now we're gonna glue on our tail. All right, now that we have all our pieces on our dinosaur, now we get to color him. Now I've got lots of green markers, but you can use paint, you can use crayons, whatever you want. And you just color him in however you'd like. I'm gonna make his edges a little bit darker green, and the inside's gonna be a lighter green. Now, I don't know, I think it's called a Brachiosaurus, right? Maybe. Well, I think I'm gonna name my dinosaur Susie, because Susie is a great name for a dinosaur. What do you guys name your dinosaurs? Maybe Ralph? Now, I hope you guys are reading some good books this summer. I know it's hard not being in the library to read, but you know, you guys got lots of books, and you can always put them on hold and pick them up, which is a very good thing. Looks like my marker's running out of ink. Oh no! That's okay. I've got more markers. And I have crayons, so you can always switch to something else. But I think it looks a little cool going from light to dark. All right. So once we got the coloring done of our dinosaurs, what do you think needs to happen next? He's got legs and a tail. He's got a neck. but he doesn't have any wet eyes. I think he only needs one eye though, since he's only looking with one. And don't forget, we gotta give him a big old smile. There he is. And here we have our dinosaur. Now you can make him however you'd like. You can make him a T-Rex, you can make him a Stegosaurus, whatever you want to make him. Just make sure he looks cute or ferocious, however you'd like. Thank you for coming and watching Make a Dinosaur. I'll see you guys later.